In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a landing page with WordPress. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so if you're new to WordPress, don't worry. A landing page is usually designed to focus a visitor's attention on one message, one offer, or one action. So the goal here is to create a clean page that looks intentional and is easy for people to understand. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your website content, pages, and settings. Once you're inside WordPress, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where most of your site building tools are located. From there, click on Pages. This section is specifically for the static pages of your site, such as your home page, contact page, or in this case, a landing page. Unlike blog posts, pages are better suited for content that needs a more permanent structure and a more polished layout. Next, click on Add Page. This opens a new blank page in the WordPress editor where you'll start building your landing page from scratch. If this is your first time using the editor, you'll notice that WordPress works with blocks, which makes it easy to build sections one piece at a time. Now enter a title for your page. Choose something that clearly reflects the purpose of the landing page. For example, the title might match a product, service, campaign, or offer you want to highlight. A clear title helps keep your content organized and also gives your page a strong starting point. After that, start adding blocks. This is where your page really begins to take shape. You can use blocks for headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, columns, and other content elements. As you build, think about the flow of the page. A good landing page usually introduces the main message quickly, supports it with helpful content, and makes the next action obvious. Keep the layout clean and avoid overcrowding the page. Spacing, short sections, and readable text can make a big difference in how professional the page feels. Once your content is in place and you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. This makes your landing page live on your website so visitors can access it. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the page for clarity, formatting, and overall presentation. And that's it. You've created a landing page in WordPress using the built-in page editor. With just a few simple actions, you can build a page that looks organized, focused, and ready to support your goals.